Okay. So, just a little disclaimer, like with all meditations, if you're driving, operating machinery, being in a place where you can't be silent and quiet and when you're sinking in, do not do this meditation. So, um, and I just want you to, as I start all of my meditations, just take a few breaths. Kind of gets up in our space, in your presence, and your time just listening and hearing what you need to for you. And if you have a piece of paper or want to go back and listen to this later, you can write down a limiting belief that you want to work on. Or just for now, we'll just add one in. I don't deserve this. So we're just going
Good
to
one.
use that as an example. So find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, where you can be relaxed and undisturbed for a few moments. You can close your eyes and gently take a few breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling out your mouth. With each breath, just allowing your body to relax, letting go of any tension or worry. And take a moment and bring your attention inward, just focusing on the gentle rise and fall of your breath. If it's easier to put your hand on your belly to feel that rise and fall, do that and just continue to breathe, letting your mind settle and become still. Now, in this peaceful state, bring to mind the limiting belief that you choose. And we're going to take just about 30 seconds to allow you to fully experience this belief and how it affects you. If you didn't have one and want to use the I don't deserve this, just notice, just let your mind just play back for you how that belief could be affecting you in your life, your family, your job, your relationships. And without judgment, just let that all play through just for a few more moments. Just notice any thoughts of what you're experiencing. Notice where you're feeling those thoughts in your body. There's some particular place where you feel heaviness or tension. We want to acknowledge those thoughts and emotions and feelings. We gently thank them for their presence, the roles that they've played in your life, no matter how early. And now we're choosing that it's time to release them with intention. I want you to picture a balloon just outside the middle of your body with a cord attached. We're going to hold that limiting belief, all of the thoughts and sensations in your body, all associated with that limiting belief. Ask it to be pulled out of your body and into the balloon via that cord. Just letting it pull out and go all into the balloon. We're going to let that balloon just be filled up as big as it needs to be with that limiting thought and belief and all the sensations and thoughts and experiences that were tied to it. We're just going to fill them right into that balloon. And you can use your breath to just blow that all in to that balloon, letting it all pour out. And just take a nice breath. And then I want you to imagine cutting the cord. Just taking those little scissors and cutting the cord that's holding that balloon. Just let that balloon drift away from you. It's no longer yours to manage and deal with. And as that floats away, I want you to picture yourself being wrapped and supported in a warm, glowing golden light. This light represents love and compassion and peace and joy. Mm. And with that release and that freeing of that energy and bringing in the energy that's more supportive with for you, you now have the energetic space to create opportunities and growth and empowerment. Mm. And in your mind's eye, imagine that you're standing at the base of a beautiful staircase, each step glowing warmly. As you place your foot on this first step, just feel the touch of the surface beneath your feet. With each breath, you just take another step upwards, feeling a sense of lightness and freedom with each movement. As you ascend the energy of your empowering belief, maybe it's I'm capable, I'm deserving, I welcome this change, I can do this, I'm allowed to do this, it's safe for me to do this. Hold those in and allow those beautiful new empowering beliefs to be embodied and embraced. And as you reach the top of the staircase, let these words resonate deeply within. Feel their positive energy just illuminating your entire being, filling you with warmth, confidence, and a sense of limitless possibility. And as we gently bring this meditation to a close, take a few deep breaths, cleansing breaths. Begin to wiggle your fingers and your toes, just kind of wiggle your body around, bringing the awareness fully back in your body, fully back. And when you're ready, open your eyes, feeling refreshed and aligned with your new belief.
Oh,
And I'll just real quick,
I
Jennifer, what'd you notice?
I had when we talked about I don't deserve this, and I don't remember what I didn't deserve, but I had a really sharp pain right here. I'm like, this is very uncomfortable. And then when we did the balloon, I just let that, and to me, that signified an emotional block or a limiting belief. That pain went into the balloon, and as soon as we cut the cord, that pain went away. And then I got emotional about it. I'm like, oh, but I needed
Yes,
it. And then
very common.
and then when we wrapped around with the golden light, that went away. That, oh my God, what did I do? I needed that. I'm like, oh no. And then when we were walking up the steps, I was like, uh, I can. I can do that. Whatever. I am deserving. And it's like as soon as I got to the top step, it was like, oh, and I was like walking away like with all this energy. So yeah, I'm kind of like jazzed now.
Yay. Yay, yay, yay.
That
Well,
was
there's so much again, so much more that we can talk about and on how to shift those limiting beliefs and be the best that you can be, feel the best that you can in that just really positive, I can do this. I can
wonderful.
I can do really anything that I choose.
Yeah.
And so I know later episodes will continue to discuss this and those possibilities and just give you more insight. But for now, just take what we've shared with you about these limitations and that you you can choose and do exercises and do practices to help create the beliefs and the feelings and the forward movement of what is best for you.
So stick around. We've got more to tell you.
All right, all the best, and we'll see you next time on the Wellness Way.
Bye.
Bye.